Ripple dives deeper into Metaverse with $54 million investment in Futureverse. We have created a Telegram group to provide you with the latest updates on upcoming airdrops, pre-sales, and instant cryptocurrency news. Join our Telegram group using the link provided in the description section. Additionally, you can take advantage of the MEXC stock market link to engage in spot transactions, buying and selling cryptocurrencies with zero commission. Futureverse, a metaverse infrastructure and content company, has received a $54 million investment round from Ripple and other investors to create an open, scalable, and interoperable infrastructure within the metaverse industry. The company plans to roll up 11 metaverse infrastructure and content companies into a collaborative ecosystem, providing essential components for constructing any metaverse application. It also aims to become a leader in an entirely new frontier of artificial intelligence, AI, gaming. Ripple invests big in Futureverse Vision. The firm's comprehensive technology includes its Futureverse platform featuring, powered by Futureverse, tools and products, which it will develop further using the proceeds from the funding round. Futureverse is using the Root network, a blockchain, and suite of protocols with ready-made runtimes for building next-generation metaverse apps, games, and experiences. The Root network is integrated with Ripple's XRP ledger, XRPL, and supports the use of XRP as a gas token, as well as the XLS20 NFT standard. Futureverse has been making strides in the metaverse industry, with strategic partnerships with renowned organizations such as FIFA, Authentic Brands Group, MasterCard, Wimbledon, and more. The company is run by metaverse pioneer Aaron McDonald, tech and entertainment investor operator Shera Sendroff, technology and information security expert Marco Brondani, and Futureverse business operator Dan Gillespie. Ripple's investment in Futureverse is a significant step towards realizing the potential of the metaverse and creating a seamless, interconnected experience for users. Ripple's president, Monica Long, stated that the company is thrilled to contribute to the foundational infrastructure layer and provide real utility to the end users of the open metaverse. The Futureverse founders believe that the metaverse is the next evolution of the internet, defined by immersive convergence and data, wherein users are empowered to own and control their identity, social graph, content, and value online. With the new Ripple investment, they are confident that the Futureverse platform will make the content layer interoperable, providing a seamless, interconnected experience for users. In conclusion, Futureverse Series A funding round is a significant milestone for the company, with the investment from Ripple and other investors contributing to the company's momentum. Futureverse vision of creating an open, scalable, and interoperable infrastructure within the metaverse industry is becoming a reality, and the company's comprehensive technology and strategic partnerships position it as a major player in the metaverse industry. Crypto giant adds XRP to its roster. According to a recent announcement, XRP has been listed on the prestigious Liechtenstein-based LCX exchange as of July 18. The exchange will support 3 trading pairs for the token, namely XRP USDC, XRP AUR, and XRP LCX. Deposits have been available since the same date, and trading will start in post-only mode, with full trading mode activated when pairs reach minimum liquidity. LCX Exchange is one of the world's most prestigious crypto exchanges, with a reputation for offering top-quality trading services and innovative technology. The exchange's support for XRP is a testament to the token's credibility and market appeal, as well as its potential to drive growth in the cryptocurrency industry. According to the LCX exchange, the addition of XRP to its platform will provide users with access to one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $60 billion. The exchange also noted that XRP's low transaction fees, fast settlement times, and broad adoption make it an attractive option for traders and investors. As of the time of writing, XRP continues to maintain its position among the top 4 cryptocurrencies in the market in terms of market capitalization and trading volume. Over the past 24 hours, the token has experienced a significant surge, increasing by over 5% and trading at $0.7669. XRP's 60% weekly gain defies broader crypto slump as Bitcoin stalls below $30,000. Ripple's XRP outperformed most cryptocurrencies Tuesday as the initial market-wide rally following last Thursday's lawsuit ruling has seemingly fizzled out. The native token of the Ripple payment system was the best performer among the top 25 crypto assets over the last 24 hours, gaining 3.6%. XRP retook its place as the 4th largest digital asset by market value, toppling the embattled exchange giant Binance BNB token. Bitcoin, Cust and Ethused, the 2 largest crypto assets by market capitalization, are now each lower than their levels from last Thursday, both stuck below their psychologically important price levels at $30,000 and $1,900. The Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit did not generate a broader lasting rally in crypto, David Laurent, head of research at institutional crypto exchange FalconX. Though it's given back some of last Thursday's gains, XRP was still up roughly 60% since the ruling. The CoinDesk Crypto Market Index, CMI, which tracks the performance of the broader digital asset market, meanwhile, gave up all of its Thursday advance, declining 0.5% over the same period. Top altcoins such as Polygon's Matic, Solana's SOL and Cardano's ADA, which enjoyed sizable rallies last Thursday, completely reversed to the levels where they traded prior to the XRP ruling. Matic and SOL are now down 5% over the week, while ADA dropped 2%. While the rush to purchase XRP could well be mostly behind us, Laurent said, digital asset funds adding the token to their holdings could represent some buying pressure boosting its price. Index funds are one potential source of additional institutional flow I'm still watching, he said. XRP has a market capitalization of more than 3.5x of ADA and SOL, typically the largest constituents outside of BTC and ETH, with a weight of little over 1%, said Laurent. If XRP is included in the underlying indexes, the asset could represent 4 to 5% of the composition of the top broad crypto indexes. XRP tops 80 cents after major price spike. The digital currency XRP has seen a considerable surge in price, topping 80 cents after spiking more than 7%, according to CoinGecko data. As reported by U.Today, the token experienced a major price surge in the wake of a landmark court decision involving Ripple Labs, the company associated with the XRP token. A judge ruled institutional sales by Ripple as securities but did not classify all other sales similarly, a verdict seen as a significant win for Ripple Labs and its digital token. In the following days, the market cap and volume experienced some fluctuations as the market was trying to digest the ruling. Even with this recent increase, XRP remains significantly down from its all-time high of $3.40, reached in January 2018. This mixed verdict in favor of Ripple has had a noticeable impact on the market, given the significant uncertainty that the SEC lawsuit had previously cast on XRP's future. The court's decision not to classify all sales of XRP as securities avoided a potentially damaging outcome for Ripple Labs, and provided a boost of confidence to investors. Despite this legal victory, it's worth noting that the overall verdict remains somewhat complex and unresolved. As reported by U.Today, Judge Sarah Netburn has asked both parties to identify 3 mutually agreeable dates for a potential settlement conference, encouraging them to schedule the meeting 6 to 8 weeks in advance. Fox Business anchor Charles Gasparino recently questioned Ripple's financial strategy given potential fines of up to $1 billion. SEC Chair Gary Gensler has suggested the possibility of an appeal against the recent verdict in the Ripple case. This means that the XRP token is not out of the woods just yet in spite of the impressive price rally. XRP flexes muscles, Ripple token unfazed by crypto turmoil with 68% rally. A U.S. district judge decided that XRP was not a security after Ripple's victory over the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The token's price has since surged sharply. Among the top 25 cryptocurrencies, the token native to the Ripple payment system had the best 24-hour performance. XRP has regained the number 4 spot by market capitalization, moving past Binance's problematic BNB coin. Importantly, XRP held its ground, unaffected by the turmoil gripping the broader crypto market as the leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin threatens to lose its grip on the crucial $30,000 handle, and many altcoins begin the day in a sea of red. XRP is a cryptocurrency that Ripple employs to transfer funds internationally. With a market capitalization of $37.8 billion, it is the 5th largest cryptocurrency in circulation. XRP dominates the weekly timeframe according to crypto market tracker CoinGecko data. XRP was trading at $0.814, an increase of nearly 10% over the previous 24 hours. At the time of writing, however, it was in the weekly timeframe that the token proved its worth, skyrocketing by nearly 68%. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, the 2 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, are currently trading below their psychologically significant price levels of $30,000 and $1,500, respectively. Although Bitcoin's price has been fluctuating around the $30,000 mark recently, Jake Boyle, Chief Commercial Officer of Australian crypto exchange Caleb and Brown, has stated that significant price changes are unlikely unless certain crucial events transpire. For the past 3 years, Ripple has fought the SEC on claims that the company and 2 of its executives made an illicit $1.3 billion in sales of XRP. Ripple has refuted these allegations, maintaining that XRP is more akin to a commodity than a security. A watershed moment for Ripple. The SEC Ripple lawsuit's ruling was a significant moment for cryptocurrencies. Although XRP was deemed not a security, certain token sales were classified as securities transactions. This decision sheds light on the regulatory status and classification of cryptocurrencies by the SEC, impacting the entire industry. It may trigger discussions and lead to clearer regulations for digital assets, boosting investor confidence and fostering a more stable market. The ruling's ripple effects, no pun intended, may extend globally, influencing other countries' regulatory approaches. Regulatory clarity. A must. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem matures, regulatory clarity becomes crucial for striking a balance between innovation and consumer protection. Market participants will closely monitor how this ruling shapes the future of cryptocurrency regulation. Meanwhile, if the court had sided with the SEC, it might have established a negative precedent for treating other cryptocurrencies, opening the door to more stringent regulations and control. This would have repercussions for any venture with an initial coin offering, ICO, or token sale, including Ripple and XRP. We have created a Telegram group to provide you with the latest updates on upcoming airdrops, pre-sales, and instant cryptocurrency news. Join our Telegram group using the link provided in the description section. Additionally, you can take advantage of the MEXC stock market link to engage in spot transactions, buying and selling cryptocurrencies with zero commission.